Next in CSS, we are going to do hyperlink, which is used to link one document to another document. So in CSS folder, I'm creating one file, link.html, and in same folder, we are creating one more file, link.css. So in link.html file, this is a basic HTML code, and here in body section we are creating a hyperlink. A for anchor tag, href equals to, I'm saying http colon 2// www.google.com, and here target, it has different values. Among them I'm choosing blank equals to blank, and here we are saying Google. Save it, click on go live. So this is our link. Now here in link.css, A for anchor tag, we are using different pseudo classes for it. First is link. Here I'm giving background color of this link should be brown. Save it, click on go live. It hasn't changed because we haven't linked that CSS document with our HTML document. So here in head section we are giving link rel equals to style sheet, and here we have to give href equals to, name of that file is link.css. Save it, and then click on go live. So we can see that it has got its background color. Now second thing we want is another pseudo class for it is a colon visited. When the link is visited, this class get active. So here I want that its background color should change to blue, or we can say aquamarine. Another class for it is hover. When we move a mouse pointer over that link, that time its background color should be crimson, and when the link is active, its background color should change to deep pink. We should change the color because hover and deep pink are almost looking same. So I'm changing it to orange. Save it. So we can see that we have already visited that link, so it has changed its color to aquamarine. Now we'll hover over that link, then that time its color would be crimson, and when it is active it will get orange. So we are hovering over that link. We can say that it is changing to crimson, and when we will click it, it has changed to orange color, and it has opened our Google page. Next thing, we can see that that link has already underlined. That link is underlined. We want to remove this underline. So for that, here in links.css, we'll do text decoration to none. Save it and click on go live. So we can see that underline has been removed. Now we want that here font size, I'm giving here to be 150 pixel, and when we visit that link, then font size should reduce to 50 pixel. When we hover over that link, then font size should be 200 pixel, and when that link is active, then font size should be 10 pixel. Save it and click on go live. Right now its font size is unvisited link, its font size is 150 pixel. So, and when we'll hover over it, its font size will increase to 200 pixel. When we'll visit it, it will 50 pixel, and when it is active, it will be 10 pixel. So we are hovering over it, its font size has increased. Now I have visited that link, so we can see that its font size has reduced to 10 pixel.